3 munud ar y cloc, Cael McCarthy ar tafliad. At Elliot Evans. Yn trio gwythio'r bel ymlaen at Baker. Baker, di llwyddo i ddamsio i wei pawb! I roi myfyrwyr ar y blaen yn gynnar yn y gêm yma. Ail gol Baker y tymor. A'r Fflint yn yr amddiffyn. Methu delio ar bel yn bwnsio heibio. Baker yn ei ddilyn e. Yn gwthio heibio i Rushton yn y gol. Alex Jones yn rholi ar ei frest. Cael McCarthy sydd o'i flaen e. Jones ewn at Weaver ac Cadwaladr. Yn union i'r sgôr. Cyd chwarae gwych gan y crysau gwyrdd. Ac maen nhw wedi dod nôl fewn i'r gêm yn heddiannol. Cadwaladr i 6 gole o'r tymor nôl fewn yn y tîm heddi. Craig Davies a Mar yn aros am y bel, ond Woman sy'n llwyddo i ergydio o bell. Gwefreiddiol gan Woman. Am gol. Mae hwnna'n heiddi ennill y gêm yma.
Christian, a great goal to win it for you today. What did you make of the game in general?
Awful, scrappy, just nasty. Nasty in a horrible way, and it didn't have any flow to it, particularly the first half. Fairness, in credit to Fflint, they had something to play for. I know I spoke with the manager before the game, and they didn't want to finish in that bottom two, so there was something for them to play on. For us, I tried to make sure that the week wasn't a week that just passed us by. It felt like that in the first half, but I thought probably the latter part of the second half we got to grips with it. We changed to a diamond and thought we played very well, influential in certain areas, and great for young Liam Warmer to get yet another goal and a special goal to finish.
That gets you 7 wins out of your last 8. How would you sum up your season in general, though?
You can split it into 2. The first half of the season, by our standards, not very good. But I just spoke to the players. Every season's a learning curve, and there's lots of lessons to be learned, and lots of areas for needs for improvement. And even with winning 7 of our last 8 games, there's still areas for improvement. But you've got to take the credit to the boys. They've taken some stick, rightly so. We've all taken stick this season. But we stuck together. We stuck to our principles, and those principles, yet again, have allowed us to finish in a reasonable position with a good points tally.